In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to add GitHub bot to Discord. We're going to connect a GitHub repository to a Discord channel using a Discord webhook so that commits, pull requests, and other updates can post automatically. You'll need permission to manage webhooks in your Discord server and access to settings on the GitHub repository. Start in Discord on desktop or the web. Open the server where you want updates to appear. At the top left, click the server name to open the menu, then choose Server Settings. In the left sidebar, find Integrations and a peanut. Next, go into Webhooks. Create a new webhook. Give it a clear name so teammates recognize it, and choose the exact channels where you want GitHub messages to land. You can customize the avatar if you like to make it stand out. When you're happy with those details, save and then copy the webhook URL. Keep that URL handy. We'll paste it into GitHub next. Now switch to GitHub and open the repository you want to connect. Go to the Repository Settings tab. In the left menu, click Webhooks. Choose Add Webhook. In the Payload URL field, paste the Discord webhook URL you copied from Discord. For content type, select Application JSON, which is recommended. You can leave the secret field blank for Discord webhooks. Discord doesn't use it for verification. Under Which events would you like to trigger this webhook? Decide how much noise you want in your channel. If you only want activity when someone pushes code, pick just the push event. If you want broader coverage, choose Send me everything or select only the events you care about, like pull requests or issues. Make sure the webhook is marked active. Finally, click Add Webhook to save your settings. That's it. The connection is live. Here are a few tips to make this work smoothly. In Discord, ensure the chosen channel is visible to your team, but restricted enough to keep notifications tidy. If you ever need to rotate the webhook, create a new one in Discord and update the payload URL in GitHub. On GitHub, if the channel gets too busy, come back to the webhook settings and narrow down the events. To confirm everything is working, make a small test change in the repository, like committing a README update, and you should see a message appear in your selected Discord channel. With these steps, your team will stay in the loop on code changes without leaving Discord. Thanks for watching and happy building.